Hello students and dear parents, how are you? This is maths for grade 1 of term 1, 3, first day lesson. Last time we already started chapter 1, which is number system. In this lesson also we continue that one, under which we have a subtopic comparing numbers, right? So we compare numbers by using comparing signs like greater than, less than, and equal. Our discussion page is page 11, and I'm Mr. Les. Before we start, let's see the objectives. At the end of this, you will be able to count, compare numbers and amounts, okay, and differentiate the words more, less, and equal. Before we start today's class, let's revise what we have seen last time. As I told you, we have been doing comparing, right? Comparing numbers by using these three signs. First one is greater than, less than, and equal, right? I hope it's clear for you. So we continue. And also I have given you one homework on page 11. So on page 11, as we have said, here you have a different number of cookies are given. So you compare the amounts. Okay, in this case, you compare the amounts. Here you have one cookie, and here you have three cookies. So one is what? Less than 3, right? So the sign should be less. And second, here you have how many cookies? You are asked to put 6, right? You draw 6 cookies in this box. And 6 is what? 2. So 6 is greater than 2. So the sign should be greater. And number 3, here you have how many cookies? 5. And here, 7. So you draw or you put 5 cookies here in this box and 7 in this one. So 5, since 5 is less than 7, so the sign must be what? Less. And 4, number 4, you have given 4 and 6. So you put 4 here and 6 here. So what sign? What must be the sign? It is less. Yes? So 4 is less than 6. Good. That would be good. Good job. And number 5, you have 4 here and 2 here. So what sign? It must be greater. Yes? Because here we have 4 cookies and 2 cookies. Which one is greater? The first one. So the sign is greater. And lastly, you have 3 here and 5 here. So what sign? Should be less. Okay? Less than. So this was your homework. Now try to take corrections and relate your answer with this one. Now with this we continue. Today also, as I told you, in this lesson also we proceed. We'll see in detail, okay, more comparing exercises. Okay, here you have one example. Okay, here you have one example. Mr. Alligator is a crocodile whose name is alligator. Okay, his name is hungry for lunch, so he's looking for a bigger number. He want to eat much. Find the biggest number. So which one is the biggest? He wants a bigger amount, so larger amount. So which one is greater? He prefers 9. So whenever he gets a bigger, he prefers that number. So Mr. Alligator always prefers the biggest. So here is number 9. So the sign, as you can see here, towards 9. Okay, he opens his mouth toward the biggest. Now, what? Okay, the next one is video which can help you compare numbers. As I told you, Mr. Alligator is going to show you how you going to compare, or how he prefers the biggest amount using comparing signs. Take a look, and then we'll see more examples. I hope Mr. Alligator help you compare numbers, right? Which number is bigger and which one is more. Yes. Now the next one is classwork. I will show you one how you do it. So, and then you will do the next. After I show you one, you do the next, right? So you have here 5 candies first, and here you have 3 candies. So what you're going to do here is by using this sign, this crocodile sign, mouth, as you can see, is open to the biggest, right? So first you put 5 here and 3 here, 3 here. So which one is from these alternatives? You have, by the way, you can use 3 options to use the greater than sign. You can say greater than, you can say more than, you can say bigger. All the 3 can be used alternatively. So bigger you can say, or greater you can say, or more you can say. 5 is bigger than 3, 5 is more than 3, or 5 is greater than 3 you can say. So you can use options. So you have 5 candies here and 3 candies here. So this is the way how you do your classwork. Okay, good. Now here is your classwork. The first one, you have 4 here and 9 here. So, and also you have this signs. Now can you tell me how you do it, how you compare? The first thing is you have 4 candy here and 9 candies here. So which one are you going to use, this greater, or are you going to use this less? Yeah, if you say less, that would be correct. Okay, this is the correct answer, would be the right answer. And what must be the numbers? First you put 4 here and 9 here. So is it less, is it less or greater? Number 4 is what? 4 candies are less than 9 candies. So which one, which alternative are you going to use? Good. If you say less, that is correct. So you use less than here. Less than. So 4 is less than 9. Okay? Less than 9. So based on this, now show me this one. Can you tell which one is the correct? Which one is correct? Is this less? Is this greater? Which one is it? Yeah, this is less. Yes, 5 is less than. 5 is less than. Or you can say here, I can say 9 here. Here, less here, and so less than, can use less than 8. Okay, this is the way how you compare the numbers. So based on this, try to do this one. Okay, you have I will give you 5 questions here, 1 out of 5. So now answer this one. Which one is it? You have 7 here and you have 10 here. Which one is it? If you say less, that would be correct. Excellent, boys and numbers. And also here, which one is it? Is it less or more? Less. Good. And next one, in the next, you have what? You have 17 candies here and 9 candies here. So first you put what? 17 is, since 17 is what? You say greater, that is correct. Correct. Excellent. Boys and girls. Now put the numbers here. 17 here, 9 here. So what sign should be put here? Is it less or greater or more? So the sign must be more than. So I use more than, or I can write it more. Okay. So the right answer is this one. 17 is more than 9. So this is the way. And next, the next one is your homework. I'll give you homeworks. Before that, let's see what you have discussed earlier. As I told you, we have, let's summarize. Okay, let's recap. Here you have different signs here, 3 different signs that you use to compare. The first one is greater and less and equal. So by using this, we can compare what? Numbers, and you can count, compare in amounts. Okay, you can count and compare numbers in amounts. So, and also we have seen, we have been comparing different candies here. We have been comparing animals, amounts. Okay, so based on this, try to do your homework. Here you have homeworks. The first homework is this one. Compare this number 9 candies with this 2. This is the first one. And the second one is this one. You have 12 candy here and 15 candies here. Which sign should be put here? Is this less than or greater than? And also you choose this, less or more here, as I showed you. And here, third one, you have 8 here, 6 here, and the sign that you use here in this box. And also you use here, you compare, you put the numbers and then comparing words here. And number 4, the fourth homework is, here you have 10, here you have 20. Compare here. Next, you have 14 here, 4 here in the signs. Last one, this one is the last, your last homework. So based on the examples, try to compare and relate your answers. Okay, you compose. If you want, you compose and do the homeworks. So this is all about this lesson. See you in the next. Thank you for watching and listening.